Hey guys, what is up? So for this video, I did not create a proper intro, my bad. I was really anxious and excited, and I decided last minute that I was going to take you guys on the journey of me monetizing my YouTube channel, and it is really close, you guys, and I'm so excited. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please like this video. It helps me out so much. And if you'd like to, you can subscribe. Leave your thoughts down below. Let me know if you are on your YouTube journey. Where are you at? What are your goals? Please leave them down below. I'm really interested to know. So yes, let's get into this video. Today, it is the day after Thanksgiving. Okay, so today is November 29th. Good morning. It is the morning of, and I am covering something on my t-shirt. That's why there's a shirt on top of my shirt. Anyways, so this morning I woke up at 4 o'clock, right, to check I checked the YouTube studio this morning. And I got some really great news, you guys. I will actually post it. I wanted to check it on the computer just to see if it was going to say the same thing. And you guys, I've reached, I think it's 3,000. It won't really tell me which one I reached, but it does give me the steps. There are 3 steps. And again, I will show you guys the screenshot of the 3 steps. One is review base terms, which I did. Sign up for AdSense for YouTube, and I did that when I first started my YouTube channel. And now YouTube is reviewing my channel to accept me into the program, I guess, to see if they will accept me into the program. So it says that they will email me with a decision, and I'm really excited about that. Like, I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about that. But that is what you get once you hit that. So now I just have to wait for them to review my channel, and I will update you guys with what happens next. Oh my goodness, you guys. So let me just up you guys with update. Up you guys? I don't know what I was saying. Let me just up you guys. I'm sorry, I'm really excited. So today is December 2nd. You know how I was telling you guys that I got one step closer, which I reached 3,000 watch hours. And I received, I'm going to show you guys the screenshot of the checklist that you guys have to complete before your channel can be accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Well, today is December 2nd, and I just got the email. Now, I did receive that I could apply for the partner program the day after Thanksgiving, which was the 29th, but I reached 3,000 watch hours. Let me look at my analytics again. I believe, because 2 days passed since they sent me that email, so I did reach 3,000 watch hours. Either the looking at the number, I probably reached it on the 25th. Because the analytics are currently, it's the 27th, we're on the 27th right now, and it's December 2nd. So they are behind. So I would say it was the 25th when I hit 3,000 watch hours. Oh my goodness. I was so excited when I got this email. I was just freaking out. I'm sorry, I just woke up, you guys. I just woke up. I had to make this video. But I was so excited when I got the email, and I accepted it right away. I did I did turn on super chats because I do go live on YouTube. I don't have anything set up for a membership though, so I don't really know about that right now, but I just unlocked a way of making some money on YouTube, and I'm so freaking happy about that. And I do believe, I just want to give you guys a tip. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, if you're looking to get your watch hours up, the number 1 tip is to go live. Again, I think I stated that before. If I did, I can't remember because this video is not the same day I did the other video that you guys are going to see a part of this video. But if you're comfortable with going live and talking to people, or you got something to talk about when you go, or you got something to talk about when you go live, I highly recommend you go live. I grew, and yesterday I had to look at the dates because I'm like, how long did it take me to reach 1,000, just 1,000 watch hours? How long did it take me to reach that? You guys, I had to write down because I don't feel like going through. And I screenshot it every day so I know when I started and when I reached it. So November 12th is when I was at 2,000 watch hours. It was 2,045 or 65. I couldn't get it to exact 2,000 because that's not how that's not how the numbers got added to it. So November 12th is when I reached 2,000 watch hours, right? November 28th is when they emailed me, or when I got notified that I can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. But because the analytics are like 2 days, is it 2 days? Because it's the 27th right now. 28th, 29th, 30th. No, the analytics are like 4 days behind. So I do believe that I reached that a lot sooner than the 25th. It had to have been like the 24th, maybe. I don't know, you guys, because it's behind, it's a little confusing for me. I don't know. But it's 24th. So it took me from November 12th to let's just say the 25th to the 25th just to reach 3,000 watch hours. All right, you guys, and here are all of the screenshots so that you guys can actually see the timeline of when I started going live in November. And this was due to me going live all of November, missing a couple of days though. So as you can see, it grew pretty fast, and I feel like the live streams really helped push my numbers up a lot. Now, I do know that my other content did contribute to those numbers, but I seen the biggest growth in numbers after I started going live every single day. And that was only due to me going live. I really don't get how the numbers work. I'm not even gonna lie, I don't understand how the numbers work, but you guys, it doesn't matter. If I would have known, I keep telling myself this, if I would have known going live was the key, I would have went live a long ass time ago. And I know when you go live, you have to have 50 subscribers, at least 50 subscribers in order to go live, which is freaking amazing. Like, I think it's easier to hit 50 subscribers. I've been on YouTube for 9 years. And I've been getting discouraged a little bit because of the watch hours. Getting those watch hours is really hard. So trust me when I tell you, I know it's hard. And you guys want to know something? Before they accepted me into the partner program, my analytics changed. The way that it looks changed. And then at the top, it says views, right? Then you scroll over, it says watch hours, right? And then it says subscribers, right? And then I just noticed it says estimated revenue. That was not always there. And you guys, when I first started my YouTube channel back in 2015, the YouTube requirements were different. I mean, not the YouTube requirements. The monetization requirements were different. I was able to apply to be a YouTube partner back then, and I barely had subscribers. And I earned money off of those videos. Now, it's not a lot of money, but when I saw it, and I knew back then that I made money, but for some reason, I didn't see the whole amount. I think I was still making money, and I guess I didn't really know how to look at the analytics the right way, because you guys, I had to click on lifetime, you know what I mean? And I made $9.61 off of a couple of videos. The highest amount of money that I made was $1.83, and it was on a 10K calorie challenge thoughts video, which I feel like I don't get views from that video anymore. But back then I was getting views. Like, that was one of my top videos back then, because the 10K calorie challenge, I don't know if you guys know what that is. It was of people eating 10,000 calories in one day. And I wasn't doing the challenge, which I think people probably thought I was. That's probably why I got a lot of views, but it was my thoughts on that. And I'm just like, that's dangerous. I would never. Like, that's a lot of calories to consume in one day. But that was my highest viewed video back then. But it was around 2015. That's when I started making YouTube videos. And I was making YouTube videos consistently in 2015. I'm sorry. But I think when I think about it, oh my God, the part that really sucks is you're making this content, and some of your content is like taking off, right? But you're not getting any money from it. That's the part that really just makes me like sick on the inside. I just be like, oh my God. Okay, anyways, let me calm down. I'm really excited. I'm really fucking excited, okay? So, if you want to know how to watch your Lord, if you want to know how to grow your watch time, go live and also create content at the same time. I feel like I probably would have reached it if I would have worked on making other content, but the watch hours that I received came from other videos. I didn't create any long form videos other than YouTube lives. So the tip of the night, the tip of the day, you guys, go live. Go live and work on your content. Don't give up. Don't give up. Please don't give up. If you really love making YouTube videos like I do, and you really want to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, it is possible. You got to keep working at your content, and you got to find other ways of putting yourself out there. And another thing, I've been watching a lot of what YouTube paid me videos, and a lot of people are like, well, don't focus too much on shorts because shorts don't pay, right? YouTube Shorts was created. A lot of people, I feel like a lot of people are kind of missing it. YouTube Shorts was created to help push your YouTube channel out there. That's what it's for. You can reach a lot more people by doing shorts. You might not make money on doing shorts, so you might not, just don't think about the money aspect in shorts, because I did a short, you guys, and it got 3.2 million views? You guys, that literally, I'm not even gonna lie, that video could have made me money. It helped my YouTube channel grow. My subscribers, I was able to reach, I reached the 1,000 on my own. I got to 1,000 subscribers on my own with just the regular content that I was posting, right? But once I posted that short, you guys, I was able to gain another 1,000 subscribers off of that short. Don't do it for the money aspect, but do it for the growth aspect of your YouTube channel. I don't really know how long it's going to take me to reach 4,000, so I'm going to come back once that happens. But I'm going to be documenting my journey. But yeah, it does tell me what I need to do next, which is submit tax information, which I was watching this girl's video yesterday when she was talking about whether or not you should set up your YouTube as a business or a personal account. And she says that you should set it up as a business account, which I believe it is like a business. You're making money. You know what I mean? And now I got to figure out how to do that. Now I got to figure out how to create an LLC or whatever I got to do. I'm going to look into that. Confirm your personal information. Provide a form of payment. I do have to go into AdSense and change all of that information before I do get monetized. I want to have everything going. I want to have everything put together. I want to have everything ready before I can start adding ads to my videos. But when you want to start making YouTube videos, another tip that I want to give you guys, please do not wait to set up your AdSense account. Do not wait to set up your AdSense account, because it will prevent you from waiting to make money. okay? Because something can go wrong, and then you're like, oh, well, I didn't receive my PIN, and then it's like you've been approved to put ads in your videos, but you guys set up AdSense, and then you go through all these problems. So another tip I can give you guys, please set up your AdSense as soon as you create your YouTube channel and you start making videos. Guys, I'm going to end this video here. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the description box. Nope, not in the description box, Lord. Leave them down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to read them and respond in, hopefully I can have an answer and help whoever needs help. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, hit the subscription button down below, you guys. And don't give up. You guys got this. I believe in you. And until next time, bye guys.